Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Begin with the custom shape tool to create a 3-layered circular badge. Select a circular circle as your base. Place it centrally for symmetry. Scale it to occupy the main space. Now add a second circle inside. Drop its opacity slightly. Add a third smaller circle for inner details. Fill the outer circle with a rich gradient. Add strokes to each circle. Run all shapes perfectly. Now apply a soft shadows for dimensions. Tune the brightness of the inner circle. Adjust spacing for harmony and refine edges for smoothness. Approve the badge once all 3 layer fields